Hi everyone, my name is Vinay Kumar and you are watching Digital Vinay channel. Today I am going to give a review on Insta Drive, who was owned by Udhab, Akshat, Ankita. Now let us see what is Insta Drive, what are the benefits of Insta Drive, what you get when you purchase it today, what training is included in this course, overview of Insta Drive dashboard, and my high quality products as exclusive bonuses. Now let us see what is Instagram. And Instagram is a cloud-based software which we can store the files, photos, uh, etc. All those things we can store in this Instagram. We know you must have faced issues with storing your data, especially when thousands of people are facing issues with storing their data. Your important documents, photos of your friends and families, videos of important events in your life, your projects and media files of your previous work, all the content you have created ever since, and other important data which mean a lot to you. All of these can be lost or can even put you in a lot of trouble. Nearly one of the two people, 48% lost data every year. Shocking? It surprised us at the first glance, but then we dug into deeper and realized that data is power. Here, let us aware you about the importance of the data. If you do any work digitally, then you are constantly at big risk of computer hard drive crashing. Incidents are too common for over thousands of people every single year. Big number of people are hacked or fall victim to malware, where you can blackmail for your private photos and important documents. Hacked or spied over can be life affecting experience. Somebody can spy on you and your action. Study your interest and decision making pattern for ad targeting and other interest based action taken mentally, physically, financially, politically, etc. in real life and even on the internet. Tons of precious data, think family photographs, important business documents gone forever. All these above stated incidents are too common and every second person has faced it on average at least every 5 years. The solution to all this is to own an online cloud software. But first, I want to introduce you to this new Google update. Here a reality check for you. Google Photo Storage is going to disappear on June 1st, 2021. Even gains like Google Dropbox, Mediafire, iCloud, and more are ready to make you pay over $200 or even more on average every month of, or you just end up losing all your data. This was the way to traumatizing for us. So this software gives a solution which is by people for people who just want a secure cheap cloud storage experience. To build something which solely does only one simple thing, that is to store data, no other sister service, no hidden pathway and backdoors, just one secure place to keep everything at one place. This is the world first cloud storage with unlimited storage capacity for business, organization and individuals who create and store tons of data every day with the most user friendly cloud storage dashboard in the world. We did not bulk it up with features which real people never use, so you can find the stuff you need much more easily. Just wanted to build something which can help eliminate the ridiculous costly monthly expenses for limited storage offered by world dominant gains like Google and Dropbox. Now this is the Insta Drive all about. You can store the files, photographs, different things you can store in the Dropbox, which cost only one time, not there is no yearly payment or monthly payments. By using Insta Drive, you can pay one time and use forever. And let us see what are the benefits of Insta Drive. Necessary solutions for every individual who is constantly creating content every day. Store unlimited data without any limitations. Tap into complete business suite with high security and dedicated workspace. Get easy thumbnail preview of files in any format. Play video and audio files right inside the Instagram dashboard. Build a online empire, deliver products and client projects rapidly. Supercharge your content creation practice without worrying about storage and data backups. Flexible storage capacity, drag and drop file system management, easy file preview, get unlimited bandwidth, search files easily with advanced search filters, inbuilt multimedia player. Now let us see how the dashboard of Insta Drive. This is the dashboard of Insta Drive. Here you can see upload files, all files. Here you can create a new folder, you can upload files and upload folder, and these are the same options. And you can share with whatever you have uploaded the file, you can share with others in this option. And what you have uploaded, you can see the recent files which you have uploaded, and what are the stay important files which you can state it and you can see quickly. And this is the trash. If you want to delete uploaded files, just you click the button, it will delete it. As you can see here, you will get 250 GB of data in this Insta Drive. This is the all about the dashboard. Here the my files, you can see the your files which you are uploaded in the Insta Drive, and account settings, and this is a logo. This is the all about the Insta Drive software. And let us see what are the bonuses. If you purchase through my link, you will get high quality bonuses as bonuses. First one, you will get the last code, which is a worth of $197, and you will get 0 hour work days, which is a worth of $197, and you will get launch charting nomination guide, which is a worth of $297, and you will get how to write headlines or subject lines that sells, which is a worth of $147. And last, this is a special bonus for you, which you will get 10 high quality products, which is worth of $497. So click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free instant bonuses packages before page expires. And when you purchase through my link, you will see here access affiliate bonus. Here you will get my bonuses. When you purchase through JVZoo, you will get here my bonuses you will get. And if you want to see my website, you can click here to visit my website. And what are all the upgrades means, first front end you will get $17, upsell of Insta Drive Unlimited Edition $27, and upsell to Insta Drive Enterprise Edition is $37, and third one, last one is Insta Drive Reseller Edition, which is worth of $97, and this is a done for you edition, which is $29. This is all about my bonuses. Let us go to the. This is all about the overview of dashboard. and this is a you can cover with 30 days money back guarantee, totally risk free. And if you purchase through my link, you will get high quality bonus products as bonuses, so grab it today before bonus page expires. However, in order to meet my minimum criteria of recommending it to you, it needs to meet a minimum score of at least 90%. Based on my time with the product and my overall impression, the rating I give this product is 95 by 100. Now once again I am remembering you, if you purchase through my link, you will get high quality products as bonuses, so grab it today before bonus page expires. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description below and you will get free email building list training, and you will get free 100 clicks, which is absolutely free. The link is in the description, so grab it today. Thank you for watching my review. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for further notification. Have a great day. Thank you.